wherever you are around the world, thank you for tuning into this video. Today's video will be on how I installed this beautiful silky 5x5 HD closure wig from Luvme hair. Let me actually give you a quick rundown. It's like bra strap length and I love it. The hair itself is insanely silky and it moves like water. The luster isn't anything too insane. It doesn't look fake. It has a nice shine to it and it can literally just pass as, I don't know, like maybe I'll put a nice relaxer on. The density, it just looks really natural. It isn't overly thick, so I stand like 10 thumbs up. 10 thumbs up? What? I think what I love most about the hair is just how natural everything looks. Like the lace was thin as hell and it was a dream. If you'd like to see how I installed this unit, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment below, and let's go. The hair comes in Luvme Hair's signature packaging, purple box and a nice purple bag. They also give you wig caps and a bit more information on maintenance and their refund policy. There's also a pencil case style bag in the box and it comes with clips, elastic bands, a satin band to lay your edges and a tweezer. Now for the lace, it is super thin. You can barely see a line of demarcation from where my skin ends and the lace starts. It is absolutely perfect. The wig comes with combs which I'll be taking out and they also give you this bra strap like band. I will also take this out because I don't like having too many bands in my wigs. So now to style the hair, as a heat protector I'm going to use the spray from the Pantene Gold range. This is perfect for a silk press type style. It doesn't weigh down the hair because it isn't heavy, it's literally a light mist. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I got to this side of my hair, the energy, like, it just wasn't there. But the hair is so silky that it's not like you need 100,000 passes through the hair to get it straight. Just 1 or 2 and you're done. Now just to get the parting area extra sleek and flat, I'm going to use my Diamante hair wax stick. You probably hear me rave about this wax stick in almost every hair video I do because it's perfect. It trumps, it sits on Kerac hair. It's not too oily or greasy, it has a semi-matte hold and it just gets the job done. So I applied this to the roots of my hair and then I go over with my hot comb just to press everything out and get everything on flat because we don't want any bumpy wigs, we don't want any helmets, okay? And just look at the shine it adds to my hair. Look at how sleek everything looks and how flat it looks already. Like I haven't even finished my styling routine and everything just looks, this is going out of my head. You can't tell me that I didn't get a relaxer, honestly. Just to finish off, I'm going to go over those last areas with my straightener. Like, I'm already excited because the hair just looks so amazing on me. And just to add some light gloss and shine to the hair, I'm going to add a few pumps of my John Frieda Frizzy's heat serum. Realistically, this is a heat protectant serum, whatever you call it, but I just like that it's not so heavy and it adds a nice reflection to the hair. To tame my flyaways, I'm going to spray a bit of my bed head hard head spray just above my head area and pat it down. And look, stiff wear, stiff wear. Look at the movement, look at the shine. I'm going to cut the lace in a jagged motion just so everything blends a bit more seamlessly with my skin. Now you'll see me just raising the hair at the front a little bit so it has a bit more of a voluminous fall on my face and it isn't just flat and ugh. And look at that, we are finished. This is just, oh, I'm just happy because I know I felt great when I was recording the video. Let me tell you about this wig. I'm in love. Like, you see me, I'm smiling at myself in the camera. Like, I want you all to feel like that. It is so, so, so great.